everyone, so welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review some 6 most hyped sunscreens for you all so that you don't have to. आप लोगों को ये तो पता ही होगा कि सनस्क्रीन्स कितने इंपॉर्टेंट हैं. They not only protect us from sunburn, hyperpigmentation, aging, but also cancer. So everyone should use them daily. But I know the real struggle. How to find the perfect sunscreen जो ना तो white cast हुए, ना greasy लगे, and साथ साथ breakouts भी ना दे. But I have got you covered. So let's begin. So the first sunscreen that we're going to review is Neutrogena. Yes, you might have heard it. It's a very viral sunscreen and they say that it's water and sweat resistant and it adds no white cast, but I doubt that. I have been using it since so long and it does add a little white cast, but that works really well for me because I like the no makeup look kind of thing, and I'm a very lazy person. I'm a corporate girl and I often get late, so this really works for me. When I apply it, I don't have to apply a lot of makeup. So Pond says it doesn't get cakey, it's very light on skin, it's not greasy at all, but if you can wear with the little white cast and shiny part that it gives, it's a thumbs up for you. So the next product that we're going to review is the Dot and Key, the viral product guys, Dot and Key sunscreens. They have launched a number of sunscreens all together and everyone seems different. So I'll tell you, this is the Blueberry Hydrate Barrier Repair Sunscreen. It is SPF 50, PA++++, and broad spectrum, hyaluronic and 5 ceramides. I mean a sunscreen with ceramides and hyaluronic acid. Not bad. So Dot and Key sunscreens are all water-like texture. They don't feel heavy on skin at all. They are not greasy at all. This particular sunscreen is for dry to medium skin because it has hyaluronic acid, so you don't really need a moisturizer with it if you're a very lazy person like me. So it will work great for you because you can directly apply this without even a moisturizer. So what else do you need, guys? This one is a thumbs up for me. It is very good for daily usage. But one con that this does break out my skin on humid days, so I tend to avoid it during that time. Otherwise, it's a thumbs up from me and everyone should have this one, especially men. So the next sunscreen that we have in bucket is again from Dot and Key. I think I like their products too much. So this one is a tinted sunscreen and I think it's best for college going and office going people if you don't like wearing too much of makeup and you like a very little no makeup kind of look. So this one is also SPF 50 plus PA++++, and this one is in shade Sand. So one of the cons that these people have is they do not have a lot of shades with them, so it's very difficult to find for all Indian skin tones, and also it does breaks out after 7 to 8 hours of wearing. It start giving some lines around your smile lines, and also it's not water resistant, so you have to wear it accordingly. But other than that, it is very good sunscreen. So the next sunscreen we have is Eagle, guys. I have read so many reviews about it and I was so dying to test this one. So I got my hands recently on this one and it says Ultra Matte Dry Touch Sunscreen. It is also SPF 50, broad spectrum, PA++++. This sunscreen has a very different texture than all the other sunscreens. It is very buttery and very smooth on skin. The other sunscreens that I showed you so far does leave a kind of shiny texture on your face, but if you are not into shiny face and you like matte finish, so this one is perfect for you. And it is water and sweat resistant, the best part. It does feel a bit heavy while applying on face, but if you give it 2 to 3 minutes, it will all blend away. And it has kind of a primer like texture, so it's really good if you want to apply makeup over it, especially for men who doesn't like makeup finish, so they are not even going to know that you're applying a sunscreen, so you can buy this one. So it is best for both men and women. Also for oily skin people, it is going to work very well. It doesn't give you breakouts and it's a very good sunscreen to buy. So moving on to the next sunscreen, that is again from Dot and Key. So this one is Mango D10 Gel Sunscreen. This is oil free and this is with alpha arbutin and niacinamide. So anyone who has pigmentation issues or dark spot issues, this is going to work for them. It says it reduces tan. I have been using it for a couple of days, but I didn't see any specific reduction on my tan, but it has improved the texture from my face, but I don't know about tanning. Maybe if I use it for a little longer, it will help in tan as well. And yes, again, it's very lightweight, like all Dot & Key sunscreen, and it has a texture like that of a moisturizer. It adds a tiny shine to your face. I think it's fine for a good sunscreen. But yes, it is a must buy, especially if you have pigmentation and tan on your face. And to give this one a try, guys. Next we are going to talk about is another of my favorite sunscreen, that is M Caffeine, guys. So M Caffeine has launched these purple bottles with Sun Bath SPF 80. I mean, I think this is the only brand that has launched an SPF 80 so far, and it's a body sunscreen spray. It is in blueberry fragrance with some multivitamin compounds and M Caffeine, and this is such a good sunscreen. And the fragrance, I tell you guys, this is so nice. I also like blueberry, so that could be adding my interest for this sunscreen. But this is really good, guys, especially for traveling. I would say, like I do a lot of travel and trek, so this is very convenient to reapply after every 2 hours. So I think this is the best body sunscreen, guys. You should have it in your kit, and you're going to thank me later. Just one con, that if you keep laying it up, it might feel a bit sticky. So that is one thing you'll have to adjust with. But otherwise, it is a must buy, guys. This was it from me. These are all the sunscreens that I have, and do let me know in comments if you like the review, and if you have any other questions regarding these sunscreens, I can answer those as well for you in the comment section. If you want any other review of any other sunscreen, you can comment in the comment section, and I will definitely consider it for my next video. Also, if you want me to apply these sunscreens on my face and show how the texture feels and look like, I can do that too in my next video, so please let me know about that as well. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. That's it. Bye.